contents of today's lecture are review of previous lecture, objectives, mitochondria, structure of mitochondria, functions of mitochondria, recap, and then next topic. Now review of previous lecture, lysosomes. Lysosomes are spherical bodies a few micrometer in diameter surrounded by a single membrane originated by Golgi apparatus and containing digestive enzymes. They occur only in the cytoplasm of animal cells and function in the digestion of material taken into the cell by phagocytosis, as bacteria are ingested by white blood cells. Normally they function as destroyer of foreign particles and worn out cellular components. When the membrane of lysosomes is ruptured, the cell undergoes chemical breakdown or lysis. Since release of the enzymes cause a cell to destroy itself by digesting its own proteins, lysosomes have been referred as suicidal sacs, and this process is called autophagy. Lysosomal storage disease. Disturbance in lysosome function effect on human health. In 1965, W.G. Hertz of Belgium explained how the absence of apparently unimportant lysosomal enzyme alpha-glycosidase could lead to the storage of undigested glycogen accumulate in lysosomes, causing swelling of the organelles and irreversible damage to the cells and tissues. Disease of this type characterized by the deficiency of a lysosomal enzyme and the corresponding accumulation of underdigested substrate is called lysosomal disorder or lysosomal storage disorder. Over 30 disorders have been reported. The most important of these lysosomal storage disease are Tahir's disease, Gaucher's disease, and Krabbe's disease. Objectives. By the end of this lecture, a student will be able to explain the structure of mitochondria and describe the function of mitochondria. Mitochondria. In 1890, mitochondria was first described by Richard Altman and he called them as bioblast. Benda in the year 1897 coined the term mitochondrion. Mitochondria is a membrane-bound organelle structure and is found in most of the eukaryotic cells. The mitochondria ranges from 2 to 5 micrometer in length and 0.5 to 1.0 micrometer in diameter. The mitochondria are sometimes described as power plants of the cells. These organelles generate most of the energy of the cell in the form of adenosine triphosphate or ATP, and it is used as a source of chemical energy. The mitochondria also involved in other cellular activity like signaling, cellular differentiation, cellular synthesis, and also control of cell cycle and cell growth. They are enclosed by a double membrane, the outer membrane and the inner membrane. Now, structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria are rod-shaped structure found in both animal and plant cells. It is double membrane bound organelle